Happy holidays! Welcome back to our channel, guys. It's your girl Stacy here, and I am back with another video. Welcome to our channel, guys. If you are new, a big welcome to you. I hope you guys are having a blessed day, and we're just thankful that we are here, we're alive, and we give God thanks. So guys, today I'll be decorating my Christmas tablescape with you guys. I'm just decorating my table for Christmas for my family, and I decided to video that and share it with you guys. Hopefully it might give someone an idea. If not for this year, then maybe next year. So without further ado, guys, I will get into starting to decorate this table. And if you enjoy watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button and share with friends and family. I think I'm mixing gold and silver. Guys, I'm just shopping my home and decorating with what I have. So hopefully you guys like this video. Let's get into decorating my table. So guys, I am finished decorating my table for Christmas, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I think it's so festive, and guys, the table full, and it's got lots of depth, and I am loving it. Absolutely, absolutely loving it. So let me show you guys what it looks like. As you know, I am using gold and silver. And this is what it is looking like. I am absolutely in love, guys. So that's the full length of it. Here it is, guys, and I am absolutely loving it. So this is the place settings, and I've done a different napkin folding for this one. And for the head table, I just did a bow napkin folding. And for the centerpiece, here it is. I've got my little reindeer tea light candle. I've got some Christmas trees and some Christmas cones, 2 candles. And I've just got a centerpiece that I made up with 2 picks and baubles and flowers. On the other side, sort of replica, trying to have a bit of symmetry, so I've got similar stuff on this side and that side. And I'm using a silver wine glass here, martini shaped glass. I absolutely loves it. I've just got my vase here with some hydrangea, and I've got another candle stand here. And guys, some of you might remember my Pound Blend DIY, and I've just got matching candle stand, matching candle holders, and this is just on the other side of the table. So here it is, guys. Go ahead, like, comment and subscribe, and if you enjoy watching this video, guys, let me know what you think. This is my finished product and I am loving it.